Gio, Rick, and JC from the Athletes Running Club. Our places, they do a great job, folks. This is what I'm talking about. The biggest ever AIA Rock and Roll Running Series Manila. We're due to kick off at 12:00 Saturday morning.
T-shirt? Huwag na. Wala na t-shirt. Malilate tayo.
We'd like to welcome the city of Manila, the mayor, the Honorable Mayor Francisco Manilo Camacoso, to the start line. Big welcome, Mayor. Now he's here before the Honorable Mayor Francisco Manilo Camacoso will say a few words to officially kick off our AIA Rock and Roll Running Series Manila, presented by ASICS. We're right to welcome the City Mayor of Manila to the start line. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the Honourable Mayor Francisco Manilo Camacoso.
Good morning, boss.
Thank you, Pete. Dito na po,
Boss, good morning.
Si Yorme ng Manila. Si Yorme Scott.
That is the youngest looking man.
Atras po, photo po.
So that's the big two, Pete.
Come on, let's have a give me the microphone and say a few words. We are getting underway very soon, folks, with the AIA Rock and Roll Running Series Manila, presented by ASICS. And once again, to the Mayor Francisco Manilo Camacoso. Welcome to the start line.
Alright, again, nandito po kasama natin si Yorme. Baka pwede siya magbigay ng konting welcome message. Yorme, habang tayo ay papunta sa start line.
Thank you, man.
Dito na si Yorme.
We'd like to welcome the team from ASICS and here in the Philippines. The community is brought to life to the Sonic Retail Group, who oversees the distribution and retail presence of ASICS across the country. Joining us this evening is Brand Management Director of Sonic Retail Group, Ms. Ennis Fraser. And also from AIA, Mike Esquira, Brand Marketing AIA Philippines. We're moments away from start, folks. 1 minute and 30 seconds to the start line. Mr. Mayor, welcome.
Thank you. I only have 1 minute. I would like to welcome each and every one of you. Welcome to Manila.
I love it when a mayor does a short speech.
Yeah.
Very, very good. Make some noise for the Mayor of Manila.
But before that, I would like to thank the following AIA, ASICS. ASICS, huwag ko yung program nyo.
Yes.
Nakapandiin ako ngayon. Pilipinas Live, Sunrise Events Incorporated, and Tourism Promotion Board. To the participants, good luck, keep safe, enjoy the night, enjoy the morning. The sun will shine again in the city of Manila. Welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila.
Alright folks, here we are, the AIA Rock and Roll Running Series Manila, presented by ASICS. We are 30 seconds away. Manila, make some noise! Here we go folks, 10,000 people this weekend, 15 seconds, 25 countries are ready to rock and roll downtown Manila. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! There we we go, folks, the 42.2 kilometre A6 marathon. Downtown Manila, 12:01 a.m. on Saturday morning. We have got underway with the biggest race in the Philippines, the Rock and Roll Running Series Manila, presented by AIA and of course ASICS. Come on, give us a wave as you start your 42.2 kilometre journey. In the back of the pack. Let's go!
Sakto. Oo. Wag, Miss B. May souvenir na. Panggising.
Alright, we're almost all onto that start line. Come on in, the AIA Rock and Roll Running Series. Manila presented by ASICS. The 42.2 kilometre journey is